Okay, some whitening tips for you all. If you have whitening products that are not actively in use, such as syringes of gel or strips, keep them in the fridge. I feel like it will keep them activated longer. I just take out whatever I'm going to use and leave it at room temperature so it will flow easily through the syringe. But after that, I keep it in the fridge because I feel like it will keep the shelf life longer. Another tip is remember crowns, veneers, and fillings will not whiten. If you already have these and they're whiter than your teeth, then great, you can whiten up to them. But if they're already at the same level or darker, you will see an inconsistency. However, if you plan to replace them, great, go ahead and whiten your teeth. That way your dentist can color match your new restoration to that new white shade that you achieve. Obviously, trying to avoid stain-causing foods and drinks would be helpful in keeping your teeth white, but if you do consume something, if it's a drink, try to consume it through a straw to kind of bypass your teeth, or minimally just try to rinse your mouth with water if you eat or drink something that causes stain to get that pigment off of your tongue and out of your saliva so your teeth don't uptake it. But remember, you can help to maintain white teeth by using a paste or rinse containing peroxide, or if you get stain on your teeth, you can use an abrasive whitening paste or charcoal-based paste. My sensitivity tips are on another video, so remember to look at those if you have sensitivity linked to whitening or possibly because of other reasons. One other thing is decalcification. If you have white spots on your teeth, these will whiten brighter, so to get a more consistent look, try using a remineralizing paste like Mi Paste 1.